Hello, Darren Montague here. Listen, I want to welcome you to the Real Talk series with me, the Knowledge Base. And what I'm going to try to do is make this a very unscripted conversation because I want to help you to move forward in your journey so you can walk in the fullness of your possibility. Because as you know, we're in some difficult and different times. And if no other time than this isn't a time where you need to be able to take advantage of opportunity, utilize it to your best ability so that you can put you in a better position and or your family in a better position. So I'm going to go through a lot of things in this series. I'm going to try to keep them short and sweet. But listen, if you want the information, you'll tune in and you will grab it. That's just what it is. So I'm going to start off by saying this. Let me say this. If I were to say to you, spend $1 and earn $1,000, most of you would say that was a scam. If I told you that you could spend $1 and earn $1,000 from the $1, most people will say that's a scam. That's not real. That's not real. When truth of the matter, it's absolutely real. But most people are going to assume it is a scam because it seems too simple. So they will look at opportunities and go, this opportunity isn't real. This opportunity is going to get you because there's no way you can spend $1 and then make $1,000 from it. Well, let me say this. The scam isn't in the opportunity. The scam is actually in the person. Most people are scams. They are a scam because most people say that they want to make money. They'll do anything in their power to do it. But when it actually comes down to doing the activity, they won't move forward. They just won't move forward. They will make every excuse in the world not to move forward. They'll make excuses like, well, this is easy for that person. This isn't so easy for me. Or I don't have time to make something work. Scam. And let me tell you what a scam actually is. Let me show you because I wrote this down because I was thinking about this. So I'm going to pull up my screen. I hope you can see it. Scam. Self-committed assassination mentality. Most people have a self-committed, right, assassination mentality. They commit themselves to assassinating their own possibility by not setting up the right mentality or the mindset to get it done. Now ask yourself, are you running a scam on yourself because you're not doing every activity in your power to make your opportunities work for you? Are you the scam? Most people are scams. 90+% of opportunities that exist are real. You can use them for your benefit. You can use them to make money. The simple fact is, are you working the opportunity to the best of your benefit? And if you're not making money from it, then you have to ask yourself, well, what am I doing? What am I doing wrong? What am I not committed to? Am I putting in all the right hours? Am I doing the learning? Am I doing the training? What am I doing to freaking win? Or am I running a scam on myself? Self-committed assassination mentality. Am I doing that? Now, when you take a look at the EMARS opportunity, we give you just that. Right? So, because right now we're running this promotion. Spend $1 to try it and learn for 30 days and then set yourself up to make $1,000 or more. The opportunity is real. Now, here's where a lot of you are going wrong at in this opportunity. The first thing is this. You're not committing yourself to the program. You're not committing yourself to the growth of the program or the possibilities inside the program. You take it, You then say, I have it, but then you don't put any work ethic into it. I'm going to be honest with you. If you start this program in the beginning and you're not spending 80 hours in a week learning it, developing it from it, then you're running a freaking scam on yourself because you're not committed to the journey. Yeah, you can make all the excuses that you want. You make all the excuses. You can say, well, I don't have time to do it. I work a full-time job. I do this. Big deal. So what? No one said this was going to be easy. We said that the opportunity is real. You can earn money from it. So the question is, what are you going to do about it? Now, inside of your back office, let me minimize my screen. Inside of your back office, you have tons of resources in here to win from. If you have not gone through all of these tabs and watched all of the trainings available, then you're running a scam. If you didn't talk with anyone about your opportunity, you're running a scam. If you're not learning what it takes to set up an anchor product, you're running a scam. That's what you're running. I told you this is going to be real talk because there's no reason in the world why no one should not be making any money through EMARS. The opportunity is unlimited for you to earn money. So don't run a scam. Be truthful about your journey. Walk into your possibility and then believe it. Do everything in your power to freaking win. Everything in your power to win. Don't run a scam. And stop calling other things scam when in fact you may be the scam. Simple as that. So this is Real Talk. This is my first series, Real Talk. Don't run a scam. Don't do a self-committed assassination on your mentality. Scam. Now tune in to the next training, because in the next training, we're going to talk about how to position ourselves to make money utilizing two things. One, Easy Make website as an anchor product, and two, EMARS, the Easy Make affiliate referral system to finance our goals and our dreams. So tune in to the next training. Click to training series number 2.